screw goes in there, innit? And then bang up there.
But
It's a minor fix. There's not actually damage to it, at least. This ain't even aligned, you know. Oh, what's going on here?
What's it doing? What the f*** is it doing?
I don't know.
There's gotta be a scam, innit? Where is it? Free Red Bull.
No, bro, not there. Are you taking a fucking piss?
It's finished, man.
Why is there an
There's an egg in there, man.
Egg but no Red Bull.
It's in there. Auto, yeah?
Oh, f***.
Hey, that's not your property.
They've got an S.
Yeah, they got a coupe. No, this is electric. S, that's not an S, that's a yellow S. This fake. These just discovered someone's broken the door. This is why we don't get nice things. Issue is just that. Oh, that's actually worse than I thought.
What's the insurance?
But it's not categorized, is it? Not recorded. It's fine.
Wait.
It goes in there, innit?
I don't think it works, mate.
Nah, it's just bent. Nothing wrong with that, of course. It just doesn't work. General life term there. Where's the trim? That's the trim, fam. This thing. The alloy. Man started checking his hair. Minuscule scratch. But the thing that's pissing me, look at the overspray, man. Why is the front end of the car made of Lego Duplo, man to man? It's cold, innit?
Bro, it's freezing.
Leave it, yeah. If it falls off, it falls off. Oh, man. I might have to blur the tyre, you know, because that's...
I've got a spare.
It's got a bigger bulge than me. I ain't changing the wheel right now. It's too cold. It's not flat. It's fine. And it's got infotainment. Oh, that's your phone. Wow. Sure. Right, it's cold.
Bro, it's too cold.
Didn't it? This looks like a little Lego wheel from back in the day what I used to play with.
It doesn't even tell me the volume. Like you just.
Oh, mine no. I can hear it's mute, innit? Clutch is quite good on this.
Yeah.
Currently.
What do you reckon? Should I get a limited slip diff?
Yo, put your money into crypto, man. Why you unlimited slim dip? Some of the shit I have to live amongst while I'm on this planet, bro. I swear to God. You fucking mong. The brakes are shit, you know. I'm pretty sure. I think the bumper touched the wheel. Boys, if you're watching this video, this clip, you're one of my day one. You're my main hoe. Let me show you what we're working with. I probably won't film a full video on this because I've already sold it. Bought it 2 days ago. It's a Mazda 2, yeah, with two previous owners. Next owner will be the third. With 79k miles, and it's mint in it. You know, I can tell the car's mint with how stable the gear knob is. Barely been touched. Deadest interior I've seen on a car personally. Kind of reminds me of the old Yaris, but yeah. About to film a little shameless promotion. I just spin around in circles and just... That's embarrassing. I just spin around in circles. Get the tyres a bit wet. What should I say? Alright, I'm gonna do the whole thing like this, yeah? As kids, we're told don't meet random men online, and I'm here to change that. If you want to see your cars feature on my videos and you're around Notts or willing to come down, then message my Instagram at Rizzy Elbow. We'll get a quick POV. I'll even wine and dine you before I send you on your way. So don't be shy and come and say hello. Yeah, man, smooth. What you reckon to that? He's confused. Look at him. This crackhead spinning about in the car park.
Mate, this doesn't even tell you the temperature of the engine.
You don't need to. I know the temperature of the engine is warm, isn't it? There's a B road up there. I usually go up it, back down it, and then there's one over here, near back to where we've just come from. That one's quick though. You can only go through there in a minute, but it's a nice B road. Ah, God, we're in the B roads now, mate. He turning off my heater to unlock my 5 horses, yeah?
You don't turn on the heat and actually reduces horsepower.
Does it? I'd think it'd improve it because it's getting some heat out of the engine.
Wait, you have 70 mph backwards?
The all's national speed limit, mate. Usually means 60 on a single lane, but... Oh, that's annoying, isn't it?
Rover, son.
This really reminds me, yeah, of a VW Up, just the way it drives.
The VW Up, like, way smaller than this.
Yeah, that's a lot more thinner than this as well. And it don't feel as well built. There's a lot more sound in the cabin. But
yeah.
I wonder where these videos will be though, actually.
Yes,
in 20 years. Like, do you reckon there'll still be... anyone will still be thinking about them?
I mean, if you think about it, these cars are going to be like vintage classics in like 20 years.
What are people going to be looking back? I feel like people who own these cars would specifically type it in YouTube. And then my video would come up.
I mean, that's the thing as well. This car to have more recognition, bro. Honestly, it deserves it.
What, you work for VW marketing team?
I mean, I hope they pay me at one
Yeah, it's a good. This is smooth. I take back what I said. At higher speed, it's a lot more smoother than the up. The up, you've got to be a bit on it. This is proper VW, genuine German built.
Bro, I love the way this car handles, bro.
Wait till we get to some twisty roads and then I'll see how it handles as well.
Got like springs on this and lowered it a little bit, it'll be 10 times better.
What? Because it's a bit of a box and high up.
Yeah. Do you guys have those like 7 foot width restrictions?
Rarely. No, we don't. Not around here. No.
Bro,
You do in London, innit?
Yeah, but we have a lot.
You can whiz through them in this,
I
innit?
whiz through them, bro.
Woo! That top end is quite useless, isn't it? Might as well start shifting earlier. Oh, this is my favourite lighting, you know, to drive in.
Is this for Majestic?
Nah, look it looks nice, innit? Looks like a lock screen. There's a pheasant.
Is that a chicken?
That's a pheasant, fam. You're
What's
from
that?
this, you can tell you. What do you mean, what's that?
It's a pheasant, bro.
It's like a chicken, yeah. I never eaten a pheasant. I think sure the olden day people used to eat
That's
it.
my first time seeing one.
You're from London, mate.
I've never seen one in my life, bro. It's actually mad to think that we have places like this, like, in the UK.
Not really, mate. Majority of the UK is like this.
Yeah, well, not London.
London makes me a bit depressed, you know. I can do a week max. I used to live down there, but oh my god, depression. That place is depressing. Crabs in a bucket, if you ask me.
You just get hood pharmacists, and then you get the
pharmacist abusers, mate. Yeah, the Fox is very nice, you know. I never driven one.
First time for everything, innit?
Yeah. I wish they still made cars like this. Even like the small cars were fun, man. There's 1.2s now,
Bro, 1 point. The only thing really made the only thing with them is that they just add turbos onto everything, bro.
Trust, man. To be fair though, you know that 1 litre Ibiza that they make now?
Yeah, well, yeah.
That new one, that's alright. I think that's
What,
alright.
the FR or the standard?
FR, man.
Yeah, the FR's actually pretty
That's
nice.
quite nippy and it's quite small. You know what I do now? Yeah, like literally started yesterday. I've asked viewers to send in their cars, innit?
What, you gonna do, like, rating your car or something?
Not even rating, just POV driving, everything. I just wanted to have a different car every video, but right now it's all just my cars, innit? So it's kind of tricky. The car has been looked after, it's smooth.
I look after it as well, bro.
The only thing is questionable is the bodywork, but that's got nothing to do with the actual car.
Like, I can't lie, bro, tell me, I was even thinking about taking off the bumper just like fully, but then I found out you can't drive like that.
What, like a twin turbo Huracan Perf?
Yeah, exactly, mate.
Shit!
Now, bro.
Like an R-line, specific type R. Yo, the back end kicks out a bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's front wheel drive, mate.
No, but like, if I let off, it handles very well, to be honest with you, G. I'm not gonna lie. Handles alright. It don't like the hill, does it? It's just staying at one point. So some of you stalker types might have already seen Rizzy.store in my descriptions, which are out now. Skyline hoodies, you can get them in this colour and what I've been rocking all week. Check my hoodie out, man. Look, you can literally see it's got a big hood on the back. Shut up, mate. They got a big hood, fit true to size. This is... Shut up, you twat. Sorry about that, bit rude of me. Yeah, look, big hood, proper true to size fit. You can get a blue one and you can get a purple one, what I've just shown you. If you're wondering what this Chinese Mandarin writing is, it's Rizzy in Chinese because I didn't want to put a name tag on the hoodie, it's a bit gay, innit? But honestly, boys, they're nice zip-ups. I like a minimalistic look on all of my clothes, innit? I weren't trying to make something that I wouldn't wear personally, so grab yourself a hoodie, it honestly supports me a lot. Rizzy.store, it's in the description. We're limited in our horsepower. This is foot to the floor right now.
Bro, it's hot in here, damn.
Innit? What are you trying to do? Medium rare me? What, does it start smelling when you do that?
Nah,
Where's the handle?
it gets hot, bro.
Trust me. It's actually a nice morning, alhamdulillah. It's a very nice morning
I'm
today.
glad you decided to come out this time.
It's better at this time. I'm one of those wastemans that drives through villages with the car sounding like this now.
I was driving home and I overtook this Astra Fed.
Yeah.
And then I was driving home again another time. I overtook this X2 Fed. I've seen Fed vans. I thought that was...
Probably run over a dog. Yo, let's get... The Cooper doesn't even know we're racing, but we're trying very hard right now.
Mini Coopers are also, bro, they're genuine such good cars.
They handle good, innit? Well, I don't know about that gen, but the previous one before it, that R53 thing, handles nice. Yo, he's pulling!
Bro, that car's fast.
Nah, G, I can't lie. If it's stabilising with this one, it's not fast. Yo, he's moving though, innit?
Look at him.
Wasn't expecting Sally to be driving like that.
Flipping, oh. What is Jenny going up to now?
We'll have to get him on the corners, mate, because I can't lie, these streets are looking a bit
Streets
peak.
looking-
He's pulling. Oh, that's me, Max. I've run out of power. Yo, we're not doing bad though.
Bro, he's ramming, bro.
Check the plane, check the plane. See the plane?
Yeah, bro.
Nasty, innit? Yo, you look happy, cause what's that noise?
I think it's the arch ladder.
Is it?
I don't know what that is, bro.
Oh, mine, you know, the car's still rolling, innit?
Yeah, that's what I'm at, isn't it?
Oh my god, you know after 4,000 RPM,
Yeah.
it just, you know what I mean? It's out of breath.
You reckon we should give it an asthma pump?
What, give it an inhaler?
Bro, the view is so beautiful. Oh, look at the sheep.
Embrace it, man. You're from the city, innit?
Bro, I'm from... Even the oxygen feels like cleaner, bro.
Well, I've done the best of both worlds, yeah. They both got their ups and downs, I'll be real. But this one is, when you're up here, best feeling in the world. Countryside, rural area.
The only reason I haven't moved into these type of areas, bro, because my family's like all in London, innit?
Yeah, I understand. That's the same reason I'm stuck in a rat race as well, bloody family. If we can just get the whole squad out here, we're
That's what I'm
sorted.
saying, bro.
But it's so hard, man, to just convince them to move on.
But-
It's a bit of a jolty ride, innit?
Yeah, luckily we're a bit higher. When I'm driving through these type of roads, bro, I always hold my horn, just in case.
Slow down.
Oh,
Yeah,
bro, you almost ran over
save
a
the
pigeon.
pheasant though, innit? Because of your horn trick. You actually do this. That makes the whole thing sounds like Pakistan. You know what I mean? That sounds like a tuk. You know what I mean? That's a tuk, mate. It's not actual. Someone's actually in my way.
They can't hit the car, just beat.
That's definitely hitting that arch. Only when you turn it though.
It smells spaghetti, innit, bro?
We'll kick it back in.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Like, the car's surprising me. I didn't think it would be able to take that.
Yeah, it does. Just gotta have it in the right gear and that, and make sure that bumper's got good zip ties on. There's nothing else that can go wrong with the car. Really.
Oh, bro, the sun is a deadly laser for real, bro.
And it does make it a bit harder, doesn't it?
You know. Downshift to third. And then just hold on the accelerator and shift quick.
What, serious? Is that not gonna burn out the clutch?
No, not really.
Fair enough, because I do that on my way back.
It just... I'll put it in third gear and rev it.
What's it doing? What the f is it doing?
I don't know. It just does that. The only way to get rid of that is put it in third gear.
That's what you want me to do?
Yeah. You feel it kicks, innit?
What is it with all these wildlife? Yo!
Oh my god!
Man wanted to do a drag race, mate. Oh, it gives you a bit of a jolt, innit, if you don't let off the throttle. I see what you mean about the handling. It's like nippy. You can chuck it about, but there's a lot of body roll in it.
Yeah. 2. But because the car was imported from Greece, it's registered as a 2014. The oldest car you can have without, well, that gets affected by ULEZ. It's like 03, 02.
Ah, petrol.
Yeah, petrol.
I was thinking, I thought ULEZ was just diesels.
No, it's on petrol.
Old petrols as well, innit?
Yeah,
What about them antique things? I bet they're free.
probably, bro.
Honestly, the car's transformed, you know, without a muffler. Honestly, sounds way better.
I'll show them the reverse camera. Can you see anything?
What, you reversing into space? Wow! I love the sound, man. Where's the knob?
Don't say that.
There's birds in the road.
What is he doing?
Move, yo. These man have got some ego, innit?
Right.
What is going on?
Flashed them.
They don't play road tax, they're just chilling in the road.
I have this theory where pigeons are government spies.
What, you reckon there's speeding camera in there?
They probably.
Got clocked by a pigeon?
Have you seen that one movie like called The Maze?
Nah.
How?
I don't watch movies, innit? I don't consume. Why, what? Does this remind you of that?
Oh yeah, no, basically they're stuck in a maze, innit? And when they escape, the world is beautiful. And I feel like I've escaped the maze.
Nasty.
Filthy maze.
Really wanted to see a POV Fox video. Said no one ever. He still got one though, innit? I reckon when you turn it, it's hitting that. That's all it is. I can't think of what else could be possibly scratchy. Crew goes in there, innit? And then bang up there.
But
It's a minor fix. There's not actually damage to it at least. So the car is mint, HPI clear. Boys, if you want to buy this, is that loose?
Yeah.
This ain't even aligned, you know. Oh, what's going on here? Overspray is bad though. That kind of. Then there's this mark. There's that. Also, nothing inside works. Is this good marketing, bro?